we are going to make another ottoman out of a drawer with this fabric. First we got to go get some supplies. Perfect fit first time. Found these on the side of the road and they were covered with dirt, so we got to scrub this dirt off. Now we're just going to sand any rough edges down, smooth it out as much as possible. I think that's good. I just cut this piece and it's the piece the fabric's going to go around, so I sanded all the edges and corners so nothing stabs through the fabric. And there's the fabric. This is 1 inch of foam. I think we're going to do 2 inches. So we're just going to glue this down and then cut another piece and glue it right on top of that. We're using this spray glue.
We're so easy.
Last time we did this, we did the 2 inches of foam and then like 7 layers of this stuff, the batting, and we wrapped the batting all the way around with the fabric, which made the bottom look really bad and it was very difficult to staple in. So this time we're not going to do that. We're going to use less batting and we aren't going to wrap anything but the fabric around this. Hopefully that's okay. Maybe we should wrap some batting around it. But I don't think we need to. Let's try this. Well, we got stuck. My stapler is doing not what it's supposed to be doing. That's what the staples look like as they're going in. And I don't have any idea. So maybe we gotta buy a new stapler. I'm pretty sure I'm doing something wrong, but I don't know. So we're stuck for now on this. We are painting this popular gray from Sherwin Williams. borrowed someone else's stapler. Let's see if this one works.
Perfect.
It works.
Now,
This piece goes under the cushion, and I sanded it all down, all the edges, so there's nothing to poke anyone.
I had an idea.
We're gonna paint this the same color as this. We're gonna try the same thing we did with our table, coffee table, a stained glaze, I think it's what it's called. And we're gonna use carbon gray stain. I'm gonna apply it with a brush this time.
Is it stained glaze or stained wash?
Glaze, stain wash, stain glaze, I don't know.
Pretty.
Ooh,
That's pretty.
it's way better. Our battery died, but this is what it looks like finished. This looks a lot better than our table does. To protect the painted pieces, I'm going to spray it with this. I'm using matte because I don't want a gloss finish on this. And I will put 3 coats on both of these pieces. Perfect.